Saudi Aramco, lockout, LOTO. This means de-energizing the equipment, which means lockout for safety, removing all sources of energy. The equipment must then be locked out, LO, so that it cannot be turned on or opened during the repairs or maintenance. Lockout tagout, LOTO, is a safety procedure which is used in industry to ensure that dangerous machines are properly shut off and not started up again prior to the completion of maintenance or servicing work. Locked out equipment is identified with a tag that tells you about the work in progress. Locking and tagging equipment lets others know that it must not be energized. Energy sources and equipment. At Saudi Aramco, many types of energy sources and equipment are controlled with a LOTO program. The types of energy and equipment that the LOTO program is used on are electrical, circuit breakers, switches, motors, pumps, compressors, mechanical, motors, pumps, compressors, steam, valves, vessels, tanks, pipelines, hydraulic, pumps, pipelines, pneumatic, compressors, chemical, pipelines, pumps, vessels, tanks, confined spaces. To perform service and maintenance work on industrial equipment safely, you must understand the importance of energy control and the current regulations. You must also know how to apply energy isolation and lockout tagout tools. Hold tag pen, hold tag, hasps, padlock, blind flange, spade blind, spectacle. Standards. Saudi Aramco LOTO standards cover the servicing and maintenance of machines and equipment in which the unexpected energization or startup of the machines or equipment, or release of stored energy, could harm employees. Many industrial accidents worldwide are caused by the unexpected energization or startup of machines or equipment or by the uncontrolled release of energy. Correctly performed LOTO BY authorized personnel ensures that equipment is safe to work on. Key areas. Failure to stop equipment. The main requirement of LOTO is to remove the hazardous energy source by stopping the equipment that needs to be worked on. Failure to disconnect from power source. It is not enough to switch equipment off before starting work on it. The equipment must also have its power source removed, so that it cannot be started by accident. Failure to remove residual energy. In some cases, after switching off and disconnecting an energy source, residual energy must still be removed. Failure to prevent unexpected restarting. The main purpose of the lock part of LOTO is to prevent anyone from unexpectedly activating a system that is being worked on. Failure to clear area before restarting. Before a system or piece of equipment can be returned to service after maintenance, any affected personnel must be cleared from the area. Failure to test equipment. Once equipment has been de-energized, it must be tested to ensure that it cannot be activated. Failure to follow proper procedure. Follow the LOTO procedures and do not take shortcuts. To ensure that the job is completed safely. Summary. LOTO procedures prevent the unexpected startup of equipment while it is being serviced or maintained. The sudden release of energy on equipment that is being worked on is extremely hazardous. LOTO procedures apply to many energy sources and equipment that must be isolated so that they can be worked on safely. Each facility has its own LOTO process and procedures that you must follow. Workers must identify and control all risks so that they can perform their job as safely as possible. LOTO process is one of the simplest safety processes that keep you safe in your work. However, Even the simplest of the safety processes, when not done properly, can injure or kill workers.